The databases are a great place to look for scholarly, professional, and academic journals. Most of the times, it will be required to go through the databases to find these resources for your paper. From a Bismarck Public Schools computer, such as those in the library, or on the network, or in a computer lab, or in a classroom, it's very easy to find the databases and log into. However, if you're using an at-home computer that's away from the Bismarck Public Schools network, you need to find a pink or purple quarter sheet of paper that contains the password and username. This can be found in the library. From the Century High School website, you would click on Library, and then on the left-hand side, you'll click on Databases. And then you'll be taken to this library services. Because we are in high school, we'll scroll all the way down until you see the smiley face. Here are other options to find links. However, we are going to go to Odin Databases. Odin is essentially a whole collection of different databases. You can see all the letters of the beginning letters of these databases. For all purposes, for sophomores, juniors, and seniors, we're going to focus on Megafile in particular. Megafile is all-encompassing collection. However, if you can't find something, your next option is Mass Ultra. Mass Ultra is sort of the be-all, end-all of databases and allows and offers much more articles and options. However, because we don't want to siphon through all of that, we're going to stick to Megafile. From here, you would simply type in your topic. Remember, don't ask the question. This isn't ask.com. Less is more. So just type in your general topic or a few words, but remember, you don't want to be too specific. There are other options and advanced options down here, but for right now, let's just click search. Now, right now, I have 1,758 results. Notice how I have several here. Let's click this, biopolitics and the baby bonus. Now, here I have, it tells me who wrote the article, it gives me all my information, and there's an abstract, but there's no article. This is useless to me, okay? This is absolutely useless. In order to make sure that what I'm looking for is pertinent to my research, I need to click full text on the left-hand side. This means that everything I'm looking at, I actually have access to, such as sexual mores, ethical theories, and the overpopulation myth. Now, here it looks the same, except on the left-hand side, you'll see PDF full text. By clicking that, that's how I get to where I want to go. This information, all in here, okay, author, source, document type, etc., is how I would write my works cited page. And then the abstract is essentially just a synopsis of the article. Abstracts are important. Read them. Reading them allows you to see if this article is actually worth your time, if it pertains to what you want to talk about. If it didn't have an abstract, you'd have to read through the whole article and then decide if this was worth it. So to save you time, definitely read the abstract. If you decide that this article is what you want, you need to print it. Okay? In Chrome, you'd click on the 3 lines and then go to print. In Firefox or any other browser, I think you just go to File, Print. And then just go over here to Pages and type in 1. That means that just one page will be printed, and it will contain your abstract and your works cited information, again, found over here. But because we don't want to print, we are going to cancel and head out. Now, again, to find the actual article, to read it, you click PDF full text, and then here you go. Again, you scroll down. To print, you'd click down here on the print button, or in most browsers, such as Firefox, again, by hovering in this area, black bar will come up here, and you'd click print again, and then you'd print all the pages, or just 1 or 2. Now, to save paper, there is an option to print two-sided. In Chrome, it's just clicking here, but if you are on another browser, if you don't know, just ask Mrs. Kettleson, the librarian, or any librarian who could help you. This is essentially how to navigate the databases. If you're not coming up with anything, I highly suggest looking at your key term and kind of manipulating that and playing around with it to fit your needs. Remember, you don't want to be too specific. Start off general and broad and then kind of work your way into something smaller. So for instance, for overpopulation, again with full text, I had 986, but say I wanted overpopulation in education. Now I'm down to 65. Okay, so again, start off broad and then narrow your way in. If you do have any questions on the databases, please ask any English teacher or Mrs. Kettleson in the library, and we can help you. Thanks for listening.